5-minute guided meditation for peace and focus. Choose a quiet place where you can be comfortable and undisturbed. Sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. As you exhale, feel yourself settling into a state of peace. With each breath, imagine drawing in calmness and exhaling any distractions. Feel your mind becoming more focused and your body more relaxed. Visualize any external worries or distractions as leaves floating down a river, drifting away from you. With each one that floats away, feel yourself becoming more present. In the silence, find the subtle sound of your own breathing. Focus on this sound and let it anchor you in the moment, free from all distractions. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Allow this rhythm to guide you deeper into a state of relaxation and focus. Imagine a warm, soft light glowing within you, symbolizing your inner peace. With each breath, this light grows brighter, filling you with tranquility. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Take a few deep breaths, feeling refreshed and focused. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, maintaining the sense of peace you've cultivated. Take a moment to appreciate the stillness you've created within. Stretch if you need to, and approach the rest of your day with renewed focus and clarity. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May the peace you found stay with you as you move through your day.